Hey guys, RC Tech Guy here with a new video. I just want to give you guys a video overview of the TechOne Venus 3D Pro. And I have been wanting to purchase a 3D plane for quite a while. Haven't really delved into much 3D flying as of yet. And I saw this on Nitro Planes, an ARF version for about 79 bucks for the yellow kit. And you can check the prices, but there seems to be quite a variance between which color you pick. So the red being the most high, at least right now on their website. So I just went with the yellow version, and I like the color scheme and everything. And just wanted to give you guys a few things I really like about the plane and some things I don't like, just in the build and the quality of the parts that I've seen. I have yet to maiden this plane as of yet, and I've noticed this on most of the comments. The thing everyone hates about this plane, as far as the quality of the parts, are the plastic tabs that actually affix to your servo linkages. And these things are really flimsy and kind of poor construction and design, if you want my honest opinion about it. As far as just the quality of the linkages themselves, I think could be a lot better, and this could be thought out a little bit better. But as far as the plane itself, I really think this is going to be a great plane. I've seen a lot of really great reviews about it. It flies really nicely. And I've already put, see my nifty difty rubber band here, but I've already put my Spectrum receiver in there. And already got everything hooked up as far as that goes. Plugged in the transmitter, zeroed everything out, and I think I've got everything pretty much neutral right now. But again, I have not maidened this plane as of yet. One thing I tell you, I did do a mod right out of the box another thing I didn't like about how this plane went together was the linkages. I don't know if you can tell with my video camera here, the linkage that actually runs the rudder attaches all the way to the servo on the front here. This out of the box was supposed to be some really high tension string that they included in the kit, which I didn't really like that idea. So what I went ahead and did, since the rest of the kit, which is kind of surprising that this piece or this control surface would be controlled by a string, which I think I can show you guys what that looks like. It's just, looks like maybe nylon string that they send with the kit. And you are supposed to string up the servo linkages for the rudder using this string, which I just did not like that idea. The rest of the kit is carbon fiber rods, and so in staying with that same idea, just so happened I had some, I don't know what gauge this was, I think 3mm maybe. I had some 3mm carbon fiber rods that I actually used instead of the string. So you guys might want it to do something similar to that, because if most of you are like me, you probably are not going to like the idea of trusting your control surface to some string that could, eventually fray and get worn and weaken down from just numerous flights. So that is one thing that I definitely did a little bit differently. Another thing to note, I ordered, because I thought the kit called for up to 800 milliamp battery, but actually it calls for up to 600. So I've got a couple of 800 milliamp 2-cell lipos that I got from Hobby King that I'm going to run this plane with. But the thing you're going to have to do, some of the little bit bigger lipos, I've seen some guys that have talked about this plane, and they have actually, they've actually said that they have modified the canopy or part of the inside of the canopy to accept a little bit larger battery. And I noticed this this afternoon when I finally got everything together, that when I put my 800 milliamp battery in there, things are a little bit tight and puffed out a little bit with the canopy here. So I'm going to have to probably either figure out a better way to mount it, or modify my canopy, maybe cut some material out here in the middle of the canopy to accommodate the little bit fatter battery. But anyway, I'm gonna definitely get a maiden video for you guys, and show you guys hopefully some 3D flying eventually. And like I say, this looks like a great plane. The way everything else came together, my only two complaints again were just the quality of the control surface, plastic tabs, as well as the included string that was supposed to control the rudder control surface. But again, I think if you guys were looking for a great, especially beginner 3D plane, I've read a lot of great reviews, and I'm going to surely give you guys my thoughts after I'm able to maiden this TechOne Venus 3D Pro. Thanks guys, this is RC Tech Guy. Till next time.